In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Instagram on Shopify. Embedding an Instagram post on your Shopify store is a great way to show social proof, highlight customer photos, or showcase your latest content without doing a lot of extra work. I'll walk you through the entire process from grabbing the embed code on Instagram to placing it in the right spot in your Shopify theme. First, let's start on Instagram. Open a web browser and go to instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one brand or profile. Once you're on Instagram, navigate to the specific post you want to feature on your Shopify store. This can be a photo, a video, or even a carousel post. When you have that post open, look for the three dots icon, usually found near the top right corner of the post. Click on those three dots, and from the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Embed. Instagram will generate a little box of code for you. This is the embed code that allows your Shopify store to display that post directly from Instagram. Highlight that entire code and copy it to your clipboard. Now, switch over to your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. Under Online Store, click on Themes. This is where you manage how your store looks. Next, find the theme you're currently using and click on Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your store on the right and a panel of sections and settings on the left. In the left-hand panel, look for an option to add a new section and click on Add Section. From the list of available section types, scroll until you find one called Custom Liquid. Select Custom Liquid. This section is designed specifically for adding custom code, like the Instagram embed you just copied. In the Custom Liquid section that appears, you'll see a text box. Click inside that box and paste the embed code from Instagram. As soon as you paste it, look at the preview on the right side of the editor. You should see your Instagram post appear there, formatted and positioned inside your theme. If it looks good and appears where you want it on the page, the final step is to click Save in the Theme Editor. Once you save your changes, your embedded Instagram post will be live on your Shopify store.